There are three main types of percentage problems. Let's take a look at our first one. The first one is to find 20% of 85. Well, there's a nice little kind of chart you can write, or a little proportion we can write. And I'm going to put is over of equals percent over 100. Now that's going to help us solve each type. The first thing we need to identify is that there's our percent. Right next to the word of is our 85. So we are missing the is. If it says find 20% of 85, it's almost saying what is 20% of 85. So if we place everything what we know, instead is over of equals percent over 100, we don't know our is. Our of is 85, our percent is 20, and it's always out of 100. Now to solve a proportion, you are always going to multiply the two numbers across from each other and divide by the number you haven't used. So this is just going to be 20 times 85 divided by 100. So multiply the two that are across from each other and divide by the number you haven't used. So 20 times 85 is 1700, divided by 100 is 17. So there's the first type. Now let's try another one. And this one is what percent of 1.2 is 0.6? So again, let me write down is over of equals percent over 100. So we are missing the percent. Here's the of, here's the is. Let's put them in the right location. So of goes in the bottom on the left, is goes on the top of the left. We're missing the percent, so anything you're missing, put the x, and then over 100. Now how do you solve that? Well, we cross multiply the numbers that are across from each other, and we divide by the one we haven't used. So this is going to be 0.6 times 100 divided by 1.2. Well, if we multiply 0.6 times 100, you get 60 divided by 1.2. 0.6 times 100 divided by 1.2 is 50. So that is 50. So, and this is the only one when you write your final answer, when the percent is missing, it's the only one that should have a percent symbol. So that's where the percent is missing. We got one more. Here, if we write down that same little trick, is over of equals percent over 100. Our is 15, our percent is 20, our of we'll call our x. Let's go ahead and put those in. So our 15, our of equals our percent over 100. So how do you solve a proportion? We're going to cross multiply the ones that are across from each other, divide by the number we haven't used. So x is going to be 15 times 100 divided by 20. So multiply the ones that are across from each other, divide by the number you haven't used. So 15 times 100 is 1500 divided by 20 is 75. So the answer is 75. So there are three types of percentage problems, all using is over of equals percent over 100. I hope that little trick helps you. And if you like what you saw and it helped, please like this video and share it if someone else needs help. And please subscribe to my page, and I will add more videos as soon as I can. Thanks.